sa Region 11 and Region 12, they were assisting.
Yeah, they're lawyers of Torre.
Tell them to go back to law school. Or if they want,
Bakit Mayor?
hindi na kailangan obvious na. Mag-arrange lang na magharapan kami. And I will listen to them. And I will tell them why na dapat ang kinuha nila commerce na lang. Mas marunong pa sila sa akin.